Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log into your EBS Mortgage account online. In order to access your EBS online mortgage account, you'll first need to open a preferred web browser. Inside the URL box, type in ebs.ie and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for EBS. Now go ahead and click on the online banking option at the top right hand corner. To manage and access your mortgage account, you'll first need to log into your online banking account, so make sure you know your credentials correct. To log into your online banking account, enter your customer ID in the text box. Your customer ID is 8-digit long, and once you are done with it, click on continue. Enter your personal access code. Enter the 5th digit, 1st digit, and the 4th digit of your access code number. Finally, click on continue, and you will then be able to sign in to EBS online banking account. After you are signed in, get to the mortgage section of your main homepage, and that's how you will be able to access EBS mortgage account online in just a couple of minutes. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.